Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'll be continuing with Wix. So today we are going to look at how to work with links in your Wix website. Now first thing, we have these links here in the navigation. So we shall click on it, then we go to manage menu, and here you can see all the menus right here. So when we click on those dots, go to settings, we can see it is redirecting to home. To check for the about us, we go to settings, and then we go to advanced settings. So we can hide it from the menu, we can make this a home page, and then in the advanced settings we can control caching for this page. So when we go to the layout, it's normally standard. That means it's fetching some common components from other pages. And then permissions, everyone can view it, or members only. You can control the permission from here. And then SEO basics for the link. So you can see it is about Fanny's Laundry, but then the slug is blank 1. So we need to change this to about as well so that it is uniform. And then you can add here a meta description for search engine. For now, we are focusing on links. So under SEO basics, we just change it to about, and then we can add a meta description here. Meta description is usually what someone will see when they search for a particular keyword on Google. So it will appear like this. For example, let's write something. Best laundry services in Kampala. Make sure it's descriptive enough. So when we scroll up here, you can see it will show right there. That is what meta description is. So after this, let's just save, publish. Now to change the link for services, we click on that icon, SEO basics, double click and call it services. And then to change for testimonials, we are just going to do the same. Change it to testimonials, and then blog, SEO basics. This one is already blog. And then lastly, contact, then call it contact. So after that, we are going to click on publish. So after publishing, we can view the site. Now you can see that when we click on about, right below here, you will see it will show you where the URL is pointing to. So let's just hover that, hover that, hover that. So when I click on services, you'll see our link has now been moved, has been changed. That is basically how to change navigation URL for navigation link in any Wix website. Thank you for watching.